Good morning guys, and from the POCO C85, and let me show you how to remove Google account from this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select additional settings right here and go to accounts here. Now choose the account that you already have and the one that you want to remove. Tap on more icon and select remove account. And now confirm that you truly want to remove this account along with all its data, like messages, contacts, and other data from the phone or remove account. You have to confirm it with your fingerprint or pattern, whatever you use. And that's it. As you can see, it has been removed. It's no longer connected with your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.